we run the analysis separately for sub-Saharan Africa, where we expect this biological health pregnancy loss mechanism, and India, where we expect the sex-selective abortion mechanism. What we find for both contexts actually is that temperature above 20 degrees Celsius decreases the probability of male birth in both contexts. And we find in sub-Saharan Africa that this is the case for temperature exposure in the first trimester of pregnancy. And so that sort of points us to this biological health pregnancy loss mechanism, because we also know that most of the pregnancy losses that happen in every population, they happen very early on in pregnancy. So the timing is like sort of pretty good evidence here. And then in sub-Saharan Africa, we're asking the question also, which subgroups of the population are most vulnerable to these heat impacts? And we find that these are women with lower educational attainment in rural areas and women of high maternal ages. So these tend to be anyway riskier pregnancies. And here we see that these subgroups are unfortunately disproportionately vulnerable to impacts of heat, because here the male birth reductions are most pronounced. For India, we're finding that male birth reductions actually appear in the second trimester of heat exposure. That would be when women are most likely already aware that they're pregnant.